You are watching Dream Interpretation, where dreams are not just images, but powerful messages. Have you ever seen yourself falling in a dream? Falling from stairs, a vehicle, or into water? These may seem like common dreams, but understanding the hidden meanings behind them is very important. In today's video, we'll explore the deep and spiritual meanings of falling dreams. Make sure to watch till the end, and if you've had a similar dream, do share it in the comments. Have you ever seen yourself falling in a dream? It's a common experience, but it often hides deeper meanings. Today, we'll discuss different forms of falling in dreams and what they signify. Falling in a dream often symbolizes insecurity, fear, or the threat of loss. It reveals that you might be afraid of losing something important in life. Falling off a motorcycle can represent a disruption or sudden change in your life's journey. It warns you to slow down and be cautious. Your speed may be causing harm. Seeing yourself fall from someone's eyes can symbolize a loss of respect, trust, or a crack in a relationship. It may also point toward guilt or shame. Tripping or falling while walking often indicates obstacles on your path. This dream advises you to stay alert. There may be trials before you reach your goal. Watching someone else fall in a dream can mean that person is going through a difficult time, or it could reflect your concern and empathy for them. The meaning of a falling dream can vary based on your personal situation, but such dreams usually come as warnings, reminders, or spiritual messages. Have you ever seen yourself falling from a bus, car, airplane, or into water in a dream? Falling face down suggests a feeling of helplessness. It can be a sign of humiliation, regret, or spiritual submission. Falling from stairs indicates a setback or block in your path of growth. It may also be a sign of poor decisions or interrupted progress. Falling from a bus suggests you're losing direction in a collective journey, perhaps feeling disconnected from your group or goal. Falling from a car reflects confusion or disturbance in your personal choices. This dream warns you to stay focused on your path. Falling from a wall points to a failed attempt to overcome an obstacle, or a collapse in confidence or protection. Falling from a plane is an intense dream. It expresses the fear of losing something big, like a dream, opportunity, or sense of control. Falling into a river shows you are overwhelmed or swept away by your emotions. Falling into water often signals emotional unrest or an unknown danger. Falling into the sea represents deep fear, loneliness, or feeling lost in the vastness of life. These dreams come to alert us, teach us, and sometimes deliver powerful spiritual messages. For more interpretations like this, subscribe to our channel Dream Interpretation.